So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to get a lot of dice in Monopoly Go. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So here in Monopoly Go, to get as much dice as you can, like me right here, I have 2,732 dice available for rolling. So basically all I do is actually go to your shop, and here you will see you'll have a free gift every 8 hours. So let's try to receive it right here. And there you go. I got 37 dices just from a free gift itself. So there you go. That is my first method. So the next one is actually going to your tournaments. So by doing your tournaments, you will see that you will get 1,200 dices, 600, 500, and so on and so forth. By doing these events, you'll be able to compete for higher prizes and higher rewards. So next is another tournament. So here you have a Jungle Jam as of now, and you'll be able to get up to 7,000 dices if you complete all the milestones basically. So all you have to do is land on corner squares to get this basically. So there you go. That is how I got a lot of dice in Monopoly Go. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you again next time.